Hello, this is Corey, and it's Logan, and I have Elemental. My deck's name is Elemental Hero, and my brother's deck over here is Desert Deck. Okay, and we'll get on with our duel. Are you ready? Okay. Paper, scissors, rock. Paper, scissors, rock.
Yeah, okay. I'll go first. Okay. Firstly, I'm going to draw 5 cards. Okay. No, because I'm starting. So I draw. I start off by summoning my Neos Alias. Then I end my turn.
I draw. I summon Bubble Man in attack mode, and when he's the only monster on my field, I get to draw 2 cards. I end my turn.
I draw. Now there's a good draw, because I sacrificed Elemental Hero Neos Alias and play my own Dragon level 5. Then I activate my magic card Reverse of Neos. So then I get my Elemental Hero Neos Alias back. Then I activate my Armed Dragon level 5's effect, so by sacrificing him, I'm allowed to summon Armed Dragon level 7. And now, since my Elemental Hero Neos Alias gains the attack points from Reverse of Neos, I'm going to switch 7 to defense mode now. Armed Dragon level 7, attack!
I activate this magic card called Holy Fuck.
And now you lose a sum total of 2,000 life points.
Good for you. I draw. No, hold on. I'm gonna summon Sparkman in attack mode. And end my turn.
I draw. I start off by summoning my new species. No, I'm joking. I summon my Ojama Green in defense mode. Now, Armed Dragon level 7, rip him to shreds.
I activate Mega Morph. Good for you, good for you. Now, by my Sparkman's attack points getting doubled because I have less life points, he has now doubled the attack points, which is a brilliant.
3,200.
Yeah, so it's destroyed, biatch. You've already said him, so put it back.
Find it, I end my turn.
Nice draw.
No, because I was drawing these
I'm gonna summon Winkaribo in defense mode, and I'll call that a turn.
Well, now I'm gonna draw. This is the end of you, buddy boy. Because now, I set my card blocker, and each card on my side of the field gains 500 defense points. And now, okay, I am my turn.
I'm gonna set this card. Summon Elemental Hero Blue.
Can't, it's got like 7 stars.
Oh yeah, should be. I'm gonna summon my second Sparkman to the field. And now, Sparkman number 1. Attack Neos Alias. Doesn't have enough. What one? 3,200. What's it gonna say? More Sparkman attack Ojama Retard. No, only a card blocker.
Okay, I draw.
Card blocker.
Start off the beginning of the end. I summoned my White Knight Dragon by ditching 2 cards from my hand.
Oh shit.
I'm joking. Okay. Now, now I sacrifice my card blocker, summon my Desert Twister. Now Desert Twister destroy the second Sparkman. Just speaking Sparkman. And when it attacks, I'm about to destroy 1 spell card. And I destroy your Megamorph.
I draw. I'm gonna summon Burstinatrix in attack mode. And I call that a turn.
I draw. I set this card, and now I end my turn by attacking your Burstinatrix.
Activate Magical Cylinder.
I draw. Big boy.
Now, I sacrifice Winkaribo and Burstinatrix to play Elemental Hero Neos. Now Neos attack Desert Twister. Now Sparkman attack him directly.
Cool, I'm 100 left in this fight. I draw.
Are you? Oh my gosh.
I summon my Stratos in attack mode. Then I activate his effect, which means I'm allowed to get 1 Elemental Hero from my deck to your hand. My hand. Exactly what he made. And so I draw this guy.
Gosh, you got 10.
Did I get 2? That's supposed to be getting. And now I am my turn.
I draw. I'm running out of battery.